Hello everyone, Sweta here. In this video, I'll describe about automobiles. In my past video, you can see in my previous video, you can see like all the kind of astrological videos, how to tag the astrology videos and all. So I'll describe about how to tag automobiles and all. So kindly have a look on this, and I hope after seeing this video, your doubt will be clear. What tag need to be tagged in independent tag and global tag. Kindly have a look on this. So I'll choose in here. Okay. So only very few videos are there. Okay. We just need to check like few videos. So so they are decorating the car. They are decorating the car for any kind of marriage or any kind of celebration. Okay, so such kind of so what will be the tag here? So the content is original content, because here you can see like it's all about the original content, the car and their decoration, each and everything. Because if you see other tags and all, so there is no any tags which will be perfect with the for this. Okay, this is not a tutorial kind also, this is just a normal original content you can mark for this. Okay, so content type will be the original, gender will be unisex, because here anyone can be interested to watch certain videos and all. So therefore we can mark under the unisex. Okay, age group is under 18, 18 to 24. Yes, perfect. Anyone can be your target customers. Okay, let me check the whole videos and all. Like we can tag. So if you see the car and all, it looks like something luxurious car. So we can mark under only the urban. Okay. So always remember, when it comes to rural, at that time we are tagging a few videos, but urban we are tagging tier 1 and tier 2 mostly. Okay. So most of the videos we are targeting only the urban, as well is a lifestyle related videos, until unless someone is some videos where you will see like totally into rural, like the lifestyle and all, then you can mark under the rural, but rest of the videos you can mark under the urban only. Okay, urban, tier 1 and tier 2. This is automobile, car, and yes, as per the car brand, you just need to mark accordingly. Okay, so it's like the person has been marked perfectly. So then after this, we just need to mark independent tag about this. Uh, so it's about the Asi Sabja Sumecha video car. It's about this car decorating. Okay, just need to check like what is the there. No, not no any tag actually fit for this. So brand name we have, we don't know like brand name, they have not mentioned any brand name over there. So let's check it out once, like what is the brand name here? Ford. Okay, so they didn't mention that. Okay, model we don't know, because that is a Ford model. Okay, Ford Pulse. Ford, there is something. Okay, so concept is not modified, it's a kind of like, they didn't mention, it's not a car, it's a not a car promotion kind, it's just a car decorating. Okay, product name, these are the things we can ignore. Okay, time agnostic. And here search keyword is Ford. Okay, Ford. Okay, car decoration. Okay, these two are the search keyword. Why I mark the search keyword? When I search about the brand name, I didn't get any kind of brand name over here. Okay, so therefore I can write the Ford and car decoration over here, then time agnostic and normal. Alright, so likewise we just need to mark accordingly. So let me just check Ford, BMW, no. So for car decoration, then after this, I'll just mark the finish button over here. Okay. I after this one, I just mark the finish button. Once I mark the finish button, that will be tagged. Okay. The person is doing any a cycle bicycle stunt, so here it will be original content, anyone can be a target customer, not rural tag will be fit for this, because see, if you see the background and the whole things, it looks like a normal, completely normal, the way the person has put the helmet and the cycle and all, this is not a normal cycle, this will be the sports cycle or something like luxurious cycle, you can say, whose price is like 20,000 or 30,000 or maybe more than that. Okay. So therefore we can mark the urban tag, tier 1 and tier 2 only, automobiles and bicycles. Okay. And then about the stunt. Okay. So extreme comparison, these are the things we don't means we can write. Okay. Because we don't know these are the stuffs and all, so time agnostic and normal. Okay. You can mark the finish button for this. So it's a like, see, you can see like this is just a tractor. So we can write the original content. Rest of the things is completely fine. For this, we can mark the rural tag because tractor is mostly into rural kind. So we can mark the rural tag. Trucks and tractor medium, because this is not a small and big. This is just a medium size. We can see like this. Okay. So time agnostic and normal. All right. This is also a tractor kind of videos. Okay, this is a dumper, something like they are talking about. Okay, so it will be original content, unisex, the age group is fine, under 18 also we can mark, rural and urban, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, because this is something you can see, it looks like a rural kind of videos. Okay, categories be automobiles, trucks and tractors, medium, then time agnostic and normal. Okay, so likewise you just need to check all the videos. So it's a kind of bicycle, sorry, it's a not bicycle, it's a kind of uh, um, bike only, so it's by yes, this is a bike, so it's a like, it looks like a luxurious bike only, just like original content. So I don't know the bike name and all, so if they have mentioned the things, Harley Davidson, no, it's not like, so it's not like that. We just need to check it out, what are the bike brand and all, so if it is written over there, then only we can write, otherwise we can ignore. Okay. So original content, these are the things is perfectly marked, because we can't mark any rural tag for such kind of bikes and all. So automobiles, motorbike, time agnostic and normal, the person has not shown any kind of bright brands and all, so such cases we can ignore and we can mark accordingly. Okay, this much only we just need to mark. Okay, so we have done with automobiles, let's check it out the baby care. Okay, so only one tag is there for baby care, so let's check it out. So it's a like news, you can see like what has happened, she just explained one incident where the kids were means going inside the lift, and after that there are certain things actually happened and all, she just talk about that. Okay, so in such kind of awareness kind of news can be marked under the rural as well, because it's not the rural lifestyle, but it is just for the news. Okay, so we can mark under the news, unisex, those are the things, urban and rural. Okay, so instead of new, we can mark under the news, not baby care. Let's see. Economic and politics, take science, weather.
दिल दहलाने वाला ये लुक है। जब ये बच्चा उस ग्रिल को बंद कर रहा था और फिर उसने आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश की, तो जो लकड़ी का दरवाजा था वो बंद हो गया। तो लकड़ी का दरवाजा बंद हुआ तो ये बच्चा ग्रिल और लकड़ी के दरवाजे के बीच में फंसा और लिफ्ट जो है वो चल गई। ये बच्चा
Such kind of videos actually fall under the news, but when it comes to taxonomy tag, we can mark under the baby care and health and safety, because this is something safety issue. So we can mark under this, because in news there is no certain tags which is perfectly fit for this. Okay, so it's like I can say it is more than that. So the kids are like not toddler health condition. These are not the health condition, so it is just as per the taxonomy, we just mark accordingly. Okay, time sensitive because this is in news, so therefore, okay, this is shocking. Yes, perfectly tagged. So such kind of videos for such kind of news actually very shocking. This is very like heart touching kind of videos. We can mark under shocking and cute when any child is behaving something cute expression or any kind of children also the cute expression of the children or any kind of funny expression of the animals or any cute expression of the animals, such cases we can mark this tag satisfying. There is ASMR videos are there where we are marking the satisfying tag and normal for all the videos. Okay, but we can mark only one tag for one video. Okay, so it will be fine as. So this too is done. So here I have described about automobiles and baby care. In my next session I'll talk about the beauty, because beauty is a long this takes a long time, so therefore I can go ahead with that. Okay, so beauty in my next session I'll discuss about the beauty care and all, so kindly have a look on these videos. So once you check it out this video, you'll get a clear idea like all the things that need to be marked as per the video. Okay, so kindly have a look on this in my I'm just going to finish it over here. Okay,